Okay, exercise 8.2 of Trigonometry, class 10, NCERT book. Directly first question barana, evaluate the following. Okay, before we solve this, I will just give how to write. You should remember the values of a few trigonometric ratios. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಶೋ ಯು. ಸಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 0 degrees, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. What you do is you just write 0, 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Then next divide by 4 ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು divide by 4 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Then you take the square root of this. Once you do that, the values you get is of sine. So sine 0 will be 0, sine 30 will be 1 by 2, sine 45 will be 1 by root 2, this will be root 3 by 2 and sine 90 will be 1. Cos values ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ it is just reverse of sine. So 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So ಒಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು you can just derive the same. Okay, so now let us solve the questions. First one is what we have got: evaluate sine of 60 degree into cos of 30 degree plus sine 30 into cos 60. This is nothing but sine of 60 is root 3 by 2, cos of 30 will also be root 3 by 2, plus sine 30 will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This is nothing but 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, there is another method of solving this. See, you remember one more formula. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ನೆನಪಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Okay, so based on that, what this becomes is sin 60 now you keep it as it is, and similarly cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. Okay, so sin 60 as it is ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, cos 60 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ cos 60 will become sin of 90 minus 30 is equal to sin 60. ಅದೇ ಥರ this sin 30 will become cos of 90 minus 30 which is equal to sin 60. Cos 60. Okay, so this we can write it as, this whole evaluation can be written as sin 60 into, instead of cos 30 ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರಿತೀನಿ, cos 30 ಬದಲಿ I will write it as sin 60 plus sin 30 is nothing but cos 60 into cos 60. So this is nothing but sin square 60 plus cos square 60. We know the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore this answer is also equal to 1. Okay, this is another method of solving this. Okay, now let's come to the second one. Second one, what it says, we have to evaluate 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Okay, tan 45 is nothing but 1 square plus what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60 is nothing but cos 30, that is root 3 by 2 whole square. Sin 60 ನೋಡಿ, sin of 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, this and this cancels, so we are left with answer 2. Okay, let's come to the third part. is asking cos of 45 divided by secant 30 plus cosecant 30. What is secant 30? Secant 30 is 1 by cos 30. Cos 30 and the value root 3 by 2. So this is equal to 2 by root 3. ಅದೇ ಥರ cosecant 30 is 1 by sin 30. What is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this will be 2. So ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 is 1 divided by root 2 whole upon secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30 is 2. This is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by 2 plus 2 root 2 divided by root 3. This is equal to root 3 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ divided by root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 2 is equal to root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 4. Okay, this is the answer. Next, fourth one. What is the fourth one? What does it require? It wants sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 divided by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Okay, what is sin 30? Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 is 1 by sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So this will be 2 by root 3 divided by secant 30. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3 because secant is inverse of cos. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this will be 2 by root 3 plus cos 60. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is nothing but 1 by tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So this will be 1. This is equal to numerator LCM 2 root 3. So this will be root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2. ಅದೇ ಥರ denominator LCM will also be 2 root 3. So 2 into 2 it will be 4 plus root 3. No, it will be 2 by root 3, 2 into 2, correct, 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Idli both sides 2 root 3 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what you are left with is root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 divided by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. This is nothing but 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 2 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. Okay, this is the fifth part. Now, okay, next question number 2. Choose the correct option and justify. Okay, the first one we have got. Let's solve this. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30 is equal to, now what is tan 30? Tan 30 is sin 30 divided by cos 30. So it will be this divided by this 1 by root 3. So we have got 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square, which is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by 1 by root 3 whole square becomes 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3 equals to 2 by root 3 divided by 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So denominator of denominator goes up. So this becomes 3 root 3. 3 divided by root 3 numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ denominator ಇದೆ. So ಅದು ಕೆಳ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So it becomes 2 root 3. So 3 ones are, sorry, root 3 ones are root 3s are. So this is equal to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು? We have either it is sin 60 or cos 30. This is equal to sin 60 or cos 30. So multiple choice question ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? sin 60. So sin 60 is correct. All right. Second one is very simple. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 square, it becomes 1 minus 1 square divided by 1 plus 1 square. So 1 minus 1 square is 0 divided by 2. So 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. So the answer is D. Now the third part where they're asking sin twice of A is equal to 2 sin A is true. Yavaga. For what value of A is it is true? For what value of A it is true anta keltare, and they have given multiple choices. So let us consider one by one. If A is equal to 0, then what happens? Sin LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Sin 2A means sin of 2 into 0 is equal to sin 0 is equal to 0. ಅದೇ ಥರ RHS becomes 2 sin A is equal to twice of sin of 0 equals to 0. So first choice ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. So answer is A. Just for checking, we will try the B solution also. Okay. If A is 30, then what happens? LHS becomes sin 2A is equals to sin 60. What's the value of sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Adhe tara RHS will be 2 sin 30 is equal to, what is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1. In this case, sin 2A is not equal to 2 sin A. So you can try. So namaga first ಗೆ 0 answer ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. So no point of checking for other answers. Okay. The fourth one, they're asking us to check for 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. What is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is this divided by this, which is equal to 1 by root 3. So 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square is equals to 2 divided by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 divided by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. This becomes, this 3 goes up and this root 3 comes down. 2 divided by root 3 into 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 cancels. We get root 3 ones are root 3s are, we get root 3. So in the given answers, root 3 yavadಕ್ಕೆ match ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Yes, we have got tan 60, which is root 3. This is equal to tan 60. So the answer is C. Coming to third question, they have given us tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan of A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. Further, they have also told that A plus B is between 0 and 90. A plus B ಏನಿದೆ, it is between 0 and 90 and A is greater than B. So we have A tan theta root 3 ಇದ್ದಾಗ what is value of theta? Okay. So for that, what we'll do is we'll just write down the theta tan also in our table. So tan of 0 will be 0 by 1 0. 30 will be 1 by 2 divided by 1 root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3. This will be 1. This will be root 3 by 2 divided by, this will be root 3 and this will be undefined. Okay. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ tan, when is tan root 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So this is 60 degrees. We have tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. ಅದೇ ಥರ when it is 1 by root 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Okay. And tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, we can say that A plus B is equal to 60 and A minus B is equal to 30. So linear equation in two variables. ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ we get 2A is equal to 90, A is equal to 45 degrees. Substituting this in this, we get B is equal to 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45, which is equal to 15 degrees. So we have A as 45 and B as 15 degrees. Question number 4. State whether the following are true or false. True or false anta helbeku, and we have to justify the answer. The first one, what it says, sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. This is not true. This is false, because trigonometric ratios do not work like this. Okay, we have never studied this. Idan hege prove madbeku? Okay, let us take any one example. Let us take A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 60. What is LHS? LHS is sin of A plus B, which is equal to sin of 30 plus 60 is equal to sin of 90, which is equal to 1. Now RHS alli enide? Sin A plus sin B, which is equal to sin 30 plus sin 60. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, so what do we get? We get 1 by 2 plus this will be 1 plus root 3 by 2, which is not equal to 1. So we can say that LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore sin of A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. Second one, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. This is true. Okay, hege? Just simple. What is sin 30? What is sin? See, this is theta. Okay, what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, right? Theta ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Once theta increases, as theta increases, the length of the opposite increases more than hypotenuse. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದೇನು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಥೀಟಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫರ್ದರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಶೋ ದಟ್ sin 0 is equal to 0. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, correct? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. See, it is going on increasing. And sin 90 is 1. So we see that as theta increases, the value of sin theta is also increasing. Now the third part, value of cos theta, value of cos theta increases as theta increases. This is false. See, cos theta is reverse of sin theta. Table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. To prove that, what you can say is cos 0 is equal to 1, whereas cos 90 is 0. Okay, so here we can show that as theta increases, cos theta is decreasing. To prove it more further, you can also take down the value of cos 45 and then you can take another value of cos 90. Fourth one, sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. This is false, we know this, but how to show it? Okay, what is sin theta? Sin theta is angle opposite to theta divided by hypotenuse. This is sin theta. And what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to side opposite to theta and cos theta is side opposite to angle theta divided by hypotenuse. ಇವೆರಡು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? cos theta ಮತ್ತು sin theta ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? sin theta is equal to cos theta only when the opposite and adjacent sides are equal. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? This happens in an isosceles right triangle or when theta is equal to 45 degrees. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is also equal to 1 by root 2. Similarly, the fifth one, cot theta is not defined for a is equal to 0. What is cot a? Cot a is equal to 1 by tan a. What is tan 0? Tan 0 is equal to, or you can also take it as cot a is equal to cos a by sin a. So, what is cot 0? Cot 0 is equal to cos 0 by sin 0. What is cos 0? Cos 0 value ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. So, cos 0 is, we have 1 divided by sin 0 is 0. So, anything divided by 0 is not defined. So, this is